Oh my god, I'm just standing in a pile of my own hair. Aya Huns. Ew, I hated that. Okay. Hi guys, it's Hannah. In today's video, I'm going to be cutting my hair. I've recently been looking in the mirror and I've realized how disgusting my ends have gotten. I have so many split ends and I just really need to chop all of them off. Ew. So I think I'm gonna go up to like here-ish. Also, would just like to reiterate the fact that I'm not a professional whatsoever. I'm literally just a 17-year-old who has no idea what she's doing. Oh my god, why is it so gross? It's like, okay. First step is to lay some plastic on the floor because I don't want my hair everywhere. And then I'm also gonna go get some scissors. Let's do it. Here we go. And let's cover the floor. So now, when I stand in front of the mirror, it's all gonna fall on there. For task number 2, I need to wet my hair because I washed it yesterday, so there's no need to like shampoo and condition it, but I'm obviously not gonna cut it while it's dry. So I'm gonna go and make that wet. I don't know what I just did with my hair, that looks horrible. Since I've already done my makeup and all that stuff, I am literally just gonna like take the shower head and turn my head upside down and pour it on top. This is so stupid. Ready? Cute. See, in this way, my makeup remained intact. Okay, we're gonna take that off. Cute. Hi, Mom. I look like a troll. Okay, we're first off gonna start by brushing this out. Look at the difference. Wow. Okay, now that my hair is nice and brushed out, we can get started. Okay, I moved you guys a little bit just so that you can see better. Okay, I'm gonna start off by just making sure that my parting is correct. And then I'm gonna split my hair and tie it under my neck and get the first rough cut. Okay, perfect. Okay, I want to get all of the rough edges, so I'm gonna go like here. I'm so scared. I'm so scared I'm gonna mess it up because last time it looked kind of shitty. I really want this to look better than it did last time, so hopefully it does. We're gonna go little by little. Okay, let's do the first cut. Okay, look at how much better that already looks. Wow, amazing. Look at all my hair. Oh my god. Oh my god, did I go too short? Oh my god, this is so short. Oh wait, it's not that bad. You know, right after you get a haircut and you like run your hands through your hair and it just stops way too early? That's how I feel right now. Okay, I'm gonna cut a little bit more. I'm doing this so unprofessionally to even it out. Now, we're gonna do the layers, which is the riskiest part. Oh my god, I'm just standing in a pile of my own hair. Okay, we're gonna do this head first. How do I even, okay. We're gonna, that. Oh, okay, I've already made progress. Oh my goodness, I'm so good at cutting hair. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but my sister's singing. Okay, I think she's done. Okay, now we're gonna do other side. The trick is to match it. I think like that short. Do I look different? I feel like I look the same. Hey, yo. Okay, now that I've cut the layers, last step I gotta do is a little like upward motion cutting, just so that it's not as like choppy. Some of my hair is drying and some of it is more wet, so that's probably gonna affect it. Oh wow. Okay, it's even on both sides, so that's good. I think we are done. Oh my lord. I'm quickly gonna go ask my sister to see if it's even from the back because obviously I cannot see that. Emily, I just cut my hair. Can you check the back for me?
Sure.
Yes.
Why is your hair so weird?
It's kind of uneven. Is it like a lot?
It's not super obvious, but it's like if I look at your hair, I can tell that it's not straight.
Can you fix it?
I can try.
Just cut like... Oh my god. I feel like I'm in the hair salon. Just cut like the little... Oh my god. That felt like a lot. Did you cut a lot?
It wasn't a lot. If you move, I'm gonna cut the wrong part and then...
Are you threatening me?
I think that's good.
Okay, so this is what my hair looks like when it's still like partly wet, but I'm gonna go blow dry it right now and show you guys the final result. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this oil in because that's what kind of like flattens my hair down and makes it look the best. Okay, I feel like I cut quite a lot off of the ends, but it doesn't look that different, if that makes sense. But overall, not too shabby. Yeah, I'm just happy that I got that done, and now I don't have to worry about paying a bunch to go somewhere else. Shout out to my sister for fixing up the ends. That is going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was probably a shorter one, but either way, I hope it was entertaining to all of you guys. Yeah, I love you guys all to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! I don't know if you guys can tell, but this piercing is super infected and it's really, really like puffy. And so now this ear is like 2 times the size of this one.